The Northeast India AV Archive Department of Mass Media, St. Anthony's College, and continuing with its travelling audio-visual exhibition titled The Road to 50, is having the exhibition today, the 29th of March 2021 at Football Ground Mission Compound. The Road to 50 is an exhibition curated by the Northeast India AV Archive, where they display the comprehensive pictorial collection comprising of photographs and documents from the pre-Hill state movement to the early years of Meghalaya. On this day, students from QC Springside High Secondary School, Jawai, St. Mary's Mazzarello High Secondary School, Jawai, Government Girls High Secondary School, Jawai, came to witness besides the public. Speaking with Jay Kongwir, Project Curator, Northeast India Archive, informed that this Road to 50 exhibition will continue in different parts of the state, where the few photographs have taken between the early 1920s up to the 1990s.
Video the limbah ni exhibition actually ni kuat balasem senam ke state juga kan tak sampau senam. The before we reach the 50th mark ni suka nak benong nak pun tak syak pun sengit nak kat tu senam te kilas dang biang tinggi dua kan gitu kidur ru tinggi penbo te kidan ru kidur kiba kat tu kat ni nationalisha liang nationalisha West Janti Hills kiba kidan kibriu kiba you know ki community culture troupe kiba Juliet ban perform kum Shillong kum Delhi tinggi bo kan gitu like. So, ya kan ni ke exhibition we started in January. So, we dang in East Khasi Hills. We started at Port Nursla. Di hadian ke January Port Nursla. Di February pada ngilet cha Bakmarah cha South Garo Hills. But ha kumjur hasiju. Di mentah pada March ngiran hani Jawai. But kumja ter haman lah ke district ngin pelong ikini ki exhibition hadu bangin da poison dan hadu January 2022, which the final exhibition pada kan long haku Shillong kan.